finale and then it's over. Then there's no more fireworks.
Hey, how did they fight? Oh, they still fighting! Oh, they still fighting again! Again! Oh.
We had her strategically planned so we beat her. The finale, folks.
No walking for us.
We're handicapped. We're handicapped and we're smart. So we use technology to pretend our car broke down here in the finale. My Rex, get out there. Now,
open the roof.
pretend we're stuck here. Well, lift the hood up, Barbara.
Yeah, go do that. Put some smoke.
We're stuck here, you know. That's the way I planned it. I figured we're going to be right underneath it, and it was perfect.
How much more do you guys want?
I think you can get off your seat, Jason, and stand up and watch it, or it's not going anywhere. Get off your seatbelt and watch it from here.
Take off my seatbelt?
Yeah. Stand up right here.
Don't poke your head up. Poke your head up.
Oh! That's awesome!
Poke your head out like those boys, see? Go ahead, Papa. Hold on to this.
Hold this, Barb. Oh!
This way you go like this.
Make all the noise you want, son. Don't worry, they won't give you a ticket.
Oh! That one's golden!
Make all the noise you want, son.
Thanks!
Go for it. Yeah, do it. That was for you, son.
That was the grand finale, I could tell.
I agree with that.
That's cool.
Disneyland's got nothing on us. We got our own little fireworks here.
It's getting bigger.
That one's cool. Is it called a peacock?
Yep. You gonna remember everything?
Well, I have a pretty good memory usually. Yeah. Not all of them, maybe. I'll remember the peacock and Mother Earth because that one was cool.
The green flower?
Peach. Peach you eat.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, it's going, it's going, it's going!
Oh, another one's going.
It's going, it's still going. That's a good one. And this one's been the longest one.
That's it's me.
It's gotta go again. Come on. Come on, yo.
I like the win.
Where's she gonna run, son?
Oh, that's green.
So are you. You look
Oh,
green.
that's pretty.
Man.
I like those two parts.
Oh, I like the green too.
That looks really pretty.